Hey, New Black Kid here. I think this is gonna be a shorter video. Probably. I might have to extend it because I talk a lot. Oh yeah, probably gonna have to. Yeah, I had to extend it. It's 8 in the morning right now, 8 a.m. And I'm just in my yard, walking. I don't know what to do. It's really nice outside though. I think it's really nice outside. It feels nice. It's not that warm. The grass is wet and all that. I might jump over this fence. But yeah, just enjoying life. I'm gonna jump over this fence without do this maybe. Yeah, I guess you could go in the woods again, a little bit into the woods. Oh, by the way, good morning. I didn't even say that. Didn't even say that to you guys. I should have said good morning. Should have seen. What? There's an anime that I was watching a little bit. I think it was called Smoke With Me Behind the Supermarket. They just came out with an episode. It looks new, I guess. I've only seen like a little bit of the first episode. I should probably back to watching it fully so I can just know how it is, how good it is, if it's a flop or if it's trash. But usually they kind of make like out of like weird topics or like just give it like a weird theme, like smoking or a vampire or something like that. They usually find a way to make it actually good and entertaining.